Good day, good day, good day. Today we're just going to do a little bit of a fixing. This is my own car, and it seems to me I've got a little bit of hassle here. This plastic on the door that goes with the wheel arch is a bit loose, but just on that one side. And so we're just going to do a temporary fix, because I see that part there has broken off. So as I say, we're just going to do a quick temporary fix and see if we can sort this out. And the way that we're going to do it, we're just going to use, number one, some baby wipes just to clean the area. We're going to use some super glue and double-sided tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the double-sided tape, cut it into small pieces and stick it in there on that little space there. That space there, as you can see there, just fill it up so it touches that side, and we can glue it on. And then maybe this side as well, where it's opening like that, just use some maybe super glue just to put this little rubber seal on correctly on its place, glue it in space, and then glue it in there as well. Yeah, right, so I've got a handy assistant here, and he's going to be doing the camera work, and while I do the hard labor today. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is, I'll say, it's going to take some wipes, some baby wipes, open it up, and then just clean that area. Let me just hand the camera over to my handy assistant. Alright, so I'm taking just some of the wipes out, and then let's just go over there to the door and just wipe it off, because it is quite a bit dirty because we've been driving. So we're just cleaning this part here, and then also on the inside, and the inside of where this rubber is. And let's just open the door, and then also this part here where it's loose, just clean that. Okay, here's another one. Let's move that a bit away. Clean the inside, just so that we know that it is nice and clean, and that double-sided tape that we're going to use there sticks onto this thing. I can see that in the past where that part is broken off, it's just been used. They use the pop ribbon to fix it on. So obviously what I'm going to do in the long run is fix that part, glue it back onto that part, and then just use the pop ribbon to rub it into place so that it stays into place there. Alright, so that's clean there. As you can see, it's quite dirty. Just the last little rub to make sure it's nice and clean. That side and the inside, and then this side again. The dogs are sitting, and this side is nice and clean. Alright, okay, so that's the cleaning done. Now, okay, so now I'm just using a 1 meter by 24 millimeter by 3 millimeters wide double-sided tape that I bought from the supermarket. So that I'm just going to put on one side, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to cut it there, cut it there, cut it there, and then just paste it on top of each other so that you have a nice thick part that sticks there. So let's do that quickly. That part there, that part there. Take it off. Okay, so cutting that small part off there. Just going to temporarily put that there, and then cut another part. Just temporarily put that there. Cut another part so that we can stack it on top of each other, that it becomes nice and thick. And another part. So maybe we'll do 5. Yeah, 5 might be just too much, but I'm sure it will hold. I got some super glue on there, or super glue as well, just to make sure that it sticks on, but I doubt that it will be necessary. Let's see. So take off that part, and we put that part on top of that there and stick it on. And then the next one, stick it on there. Okay, so now we got 3 on. Take off one, the back pieces of plastic. Come on. Okay, that's off, and then so we got 4 pieces on. Let's test it quickly. 4 pieces on there. Yeah, I think the 4 would be, might be enough. Let's just have a look. Put that in there. Oops. Get that part there. Seems like 4 would be, might just be on the one side under. No, let's rather go 5. Rather put 5 on. Okay, so take out the last one. Okay, so now we got 5 pieces. Take off that part, that side, as well as on that side. Okay, so now it's one thick piece of double-sided tape. On there, do that just place, and paste that on. Hold it a bit. And that's it for a temporary fix on that side. Brilliant. Okay, so now it's this side. Let's have a look on this side. This side. So that rubber needs to come out. Seems like this rubber is just lying there, and the side. So okay. I'm just going to use a piece of double-sided tape on this side and stick it on there, just as a temporary, because we're not at home at the moment, we're on holiday, so just as a temporary fix. So yeah, let's cut another piece of double-sided tape. Cut a small piece off like that, and this side I'm just going to use one. Just take the backing off. Come on. And struggle to take this off. It's not fun. Grab it. Grab it, there's it. Got it. Okay. So let's stick that on there. this side, there, on the inside, and there, and push it in. There you go. For a temporary fix, I think that's okay. I'm not going to go anywhere. Just have to check this corner here. That one is okay. That one is okay. Okay. Just look here. It seems like this part here is also, but that's not going to give me a major issue now. So I think for now, yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you're seeing for more content. If you like what you saw, give that thumbs up there, and then please comment on what you think would be a permanent fix for this. And have a wonderful day. Remember what I say, knowledge is power. Anything that can be taken away from you except for your knowledge. Have a brilliant day. Thanks, guys. Until the next video. Bye. So yeah, that's my car, and we just fixed that part and that little fender. Let's just check this a little bit later now. Yeah, solid. It's not gonna go loose. I didn't even use that super glue, so if I do run into a problem, I know that I do have the super glue and I can use it if needs be. So yeah, brilliant, guys. Thank you again. Thanks for watching, and remember to like what you saw in this video. Please, it's not costing you anything. It's helping me with the algorithm, and please subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me grow this channel and get this information out to whoever needs it. Guys, have a wonderful day. Okay, bye.